Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best concrete chisels that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Finder Heavy Duty Flat Chisel. If you're searching for a reliable tool that combines precision with durability, the Finder Heavy Duty Flat Chisel with hand protection is an excellent choice. This 12-inch tool, crafted from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, offers exceptional hardness and strength, ensuring long-lasting performance. The ergonomic bimaterial hand guard protects your hands during use, while the non-slip rubber handle enhances comfort and control. It's ideal for metalworking and masonry tasks, effortlessly cutting and splitting hard stone, brick, and concrete. With a 4.7-star rating from satisfied users, this chisel promises effective results and dependable hand protection. Plus, Finder offers a quality guarantee for peace of mind. Moving on at number 4. We have the Crescent 3x81/2 Brick Chisel. The Crescent 3x81/2 Brick Chisel with handguard, CBCH 30H stands out as an excellent choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who prioritize precision and durability in masonry work. Weighing 1.54 pounds, it's crafted from heat-treated steel for enhanced durability. The durable handguard, which survives 7 times more strikes than competitors, guarantees safety with its non-slip design. A lacquer coating prevents rust, maintaining the chisel's longevity. Tested to 150% of ASME standards, this tool assures reliability. With a 4.7-star rating, it's clear customers appreciate its performance. Plus, a 30-day return guarantee and manufacturer's warranty offer peace of mind. At number 3, we have the Concrete Geology Rock Pick Equipment Kit. Those with a passion for geology or a need for robust rock-breaking tools will find the Concrete Geology Rock Pick Equipment Kit 4PCS an excellent choice. This kit includes a 3-pound sledgehammer, a flat chisel, safety glasses, and gloves. Crafted from high-carbon steel with a drop-forged, one-piece construction, it's built for durability. The ribbed grip handle minimizes shock and vibration, making your task easier. While users praise its durability and weight, some have noted that the goggles might not fit well. With a 4.6-star rating and a 30-day return guarantee on Amazon, it's ideal for various tasks, including breaking concrete. At number 2, we have the Firecore 3PCS Masonry Chisel Set. Uncover the ideal tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking precision and durability in masonry work with the Firecore 3PCS Masonry Chisel Set with hand guard. This set includes an 8.27 brick chisel, an 11-point chisel, and an 11 flat chisel, all crafted from heat-treated alloy steel. The chisel's bright safety yellow hand guards absorb shocks, protecting your hands during intense work. Perfect for sculpture, cutting, and demolition across various materials, its non-slip rubber handles guarantee comfort and control. With a 4.7-star rating, users praise its sharpness and protective design, making it a reliable choice for masonry tasks. And finally, at number 1, we have the Finder 12-inch Heavy-Duty Chisel Set. For anyone seeking precision and durability in their masonry or metalworking projects, the Finder 12-inch Heavy-Duty Chisel Set with hand protection offers an excellent choice. This set includes a flat and a pointed chisel, both crafted from heat-treated chromium vanadium steel, ensuring high hardness and resistance to rust. The ergonomic handguard protects against overshoot and absorbs shock, while the non-slip rubber handle provides comfort during demanding tasks. Ideal for cutting and splitting stone, brick, and concrete, users praise its effectiveness and safety features. Although some report guard slipping, overall, the chisels are durable and reliable, backed by Finder's commitment to satisfaction. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.